Hi guys. Okay, so we are on, if you're following along with the read aloud, we are doing section 2. So it's called Mr. Wilson's Phone. It looks like this. Mr. Wilson flipped open his phone to check the time. The nearby children on the playground snickered the way many often did when they saw his phone. So they're laughing at him. They're on the playground, guys, and they're laughing at Mr. Wilson because he flipped open his cell phone. One of the students, who was less inclined than the others to exercise restraint, asked, "Why do you still have a phone like that?" Managing to keep a straight face and without missing a beat, Mr. Wilson jorfed, "If my mom sees me with a smartphone, she'll think that I can afford to move out or start paying rent." Okay, so that was our little paragraph. Now let's answer our questions. Number 4. Which of the following conclusions is supported by text evidence? Meaning, what can we conclude by going through and reading this paragraph? What can we find to be true? A, Mr. Wilson is a student teacher. Did it tell us anywhere in the text that he's a student teacher, guys? B, Mr. Wilson is a PE teacher. Did it tell us anywhere in the text that he's a PE teacher? C, Mr. Wilson has been asked awkward questions before. D, none of the answers are reasonable. So go through your text and decide which answer you think best fits for number 4. Number 5. Which of the word choices could provide the same meaning as jorfed? So we're going to go back and we're going to read that part again, okay? And we're going to figure out what he's trying to say. Managing to keep a straight face and without missing a beat, Mr. Wilson jorfed. If my mom sees me with a smartphone, she'll think that I can afford to move out or start paying rent. Do you think he, A, snapped, like he was mean to somebody? He snapped on these kids? B, did he grumble about it? Was he angry about it? C, did he reply? Or D, did he chuckle? Number 6. Which of the following conclusions can be inferred, there's that word again, to infer from the text? Which of the following conclusions can be inferred from the text? A, Mr. Wilson still lives with his mom. B, the outspoken student thought that Mr. Wilson's phone was outdated, meaning old. C, Mr. Wilson has student loans. Or D, none of the conclusions can be inferred from the text. So that finishes our worksheet from today, day 1 of us doing digital learning. Okay? Hope you guys are having fun. Ask me any questions you have in our digital learning forum.